The learning outcomes from this experiment are to determine the acceleration due to the gravity g using a simple pendulum, and to investigate the effect of large amplitude oscillation to the accuracy of g obtained from the experiment. Here are some of the apparatus that will be involved in this experiment. A meter ruler, a semicircle protractor, a piece of string, an optical pin, wooden cork or any small piece of wood, a G-clamp, a pair of scissors, retort stand, a small pendulum bob, and lastly a stopwatch. Here is the procedure for this experiment. First, clamp the retort stand firmly to one corner of the table, and then slot the cork in the retort stand. On the other hand, set up your string with one end side to the optical pin. Then put the optical pin inside the protractor. Then pin them both in the middle of the slotted cork. And after this is set up, tie the other end of the string with a small pendulum hanging from it. So for this experiment, you would want to take at least 7 measurements from different lengths. So this one, you would take the measurement of the length starting from the pin here up to the middle of the pendulum. So for the first experiment, I suggest you to take 90 centimeters and reduce by 10 centimeters each to get 7 measurements. For the first one, you could wrap around your loop here to the retort stand behind, and then pull out and take several loops here until you get the 90 centimeters pendulum length. After that, make sure your protractor is straightened and the middle of the protractor is passed through using the string. And then you can start your experiment. Start your stopwatch when you first release the string. You will have to take the time taken for 20 complete oscillation. Data collection. Release the pendulum at less than 10 degrees from the vertical in one plane and record the time taken for 20 complete oscillation. And repeat this for the second reading and record the average reading. Repeat this to get at least 6 or 7 readings at a different length of string. It is suggested to start using 90 cm and decrease the length down to no less than 15 cm. And lastly, set the string length at 100 cm but release the pendulum at an angle of 70 degrees and record the time taken for just 5 complete oscillations. And tabulate all readings and use equation 5.1 to calculate the value of gravity G. Refer your experiment textbook for a standard report format and complete this experiment by submitting a complete report with appropriate graph to your lecturer.